Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Sultan Mahmud Kausar and this is our project topic is irregular synchronous counter. Here is our two group member and their name is Anika Ferdos and Kolani Sarkar. Outline. Contents. Introduction. Irregular sequence counter design. Develop a state diagram. Develop a next state table. Create a flip-flop transaction table. Use Karnaugh map to derive the logic requirement. Logic expression for flip-flop input. Implement a counter to produce the specific sequence of state and conclusion. Introduction. Irregular sequence counter design. Step 1. Develop a state diagram. Step 2. Develop a next state table. Step 3. Create a flip-flop transaction table. Step 4. Use Karnaugh map to derive the logic requirements. Step 5. Logic expression for flip-flop input. And step 6. Implement a counter to produce the specific sequence of states. Step 1. Develop a state diagram. A state diagram shows the progression of state. In the figure 1 is a state diagram for a basic 3 bits gray code counter. This particular circuit has no input and no output.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Anika Firdos and today our project topic is irregular synchronous counter, and my part is from step 2, which is develop a state table. Once the sequence circuit is defined by a state circuit diagram, the second step is to derive to a next table which lists each other of the counter along with the corresponding next state. The next state is the state the counter goes from its present state to upon application to a clock pulse. The next state is derived the state diagram and it's shown in the table 1 for the 3-bit gray code number. Q0 is the least signified bit. Step 3. Create a transaction table. From table 2 we can see this transaction table for the JK flip-flop. All possible output transitions are listed by showing the Q output of flip-flop is going to present the state to next state. Qn is the present state of flip-flop and Q plus 1 is the next state. For each output transaction, the J and the K input that will cause the transaction to occur are listed, and X indicates a don't care. The output can be either is 1 or a 0. To design the counter, the transition table is applied to each flip-flop in the counter based on the next table, table 1. For example, the present state 0 0 0 and Q0 goes from a present state of 0 to the next state of 1. To make this happen, J0 must be a 1 and you don't care what K0 is, like J0 equals to 1 or K0 equals to X. As you can see in transition table 2, and next Q1 is 0 in the present state and remains a 0 in the next state. For this transition, J1 equals to 0 and K1 equals to X. Finally, Q2 is 0 in the present state and remains 0 in the next state. Therefore, j2 equals to 0 and k2 equals to x, and the analyze is repeat for the present state in the table 1. Step 4. Use Karnaugh map to derive the logic requirements. Karnaugh map can be used to determine the logic requirement for the j and k input of each flip-flop in the counter. There is a Karnaugh map for the j input and a Karnaugh map for the k input of the each flip-flop. In this design procedure, each cell of Karnaugh map represents one of the present state in the counter sequence listed in table 1. From the k and j state in the sequence table 2, 1, 0 or x is entered each present state cell on the map depending on the transaction Q output for a particular flip-flop. To illustrate this procedure, two sample entries are shown for the J0 and K0 input at least signify the flip-flop Q2 in the figure 2. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Kalani Sarkar. Our presentation topic is irregular synchronous counter. Now we start my presentation. My slide number is 8. Logic expression for flip-flop inputs from the Karnaugh maps of figure 2. You obtain the following expression for the J and K input of each flip-flop. This value is J0, K0, J1, K1, J2, K2. Implement a counter to produce the specified sequence of states. The final step is to implement the combinational logic from the expression for the J and K inputs and concept the flip-flops to from the complete 3-bit gray code counter as shown in figure 3. We are used NAND gate and XOR gate. Project conclusion. A summary of state use in the design of the 3-bit gray code counter follows. In general, this step can be applied to any state machine. Specify the counter sequence and draw the state diagram. Drive a next state table from the state diagram. Develop the transition table showing the flip-flop input required for each transition. The transition table is always same for a given type of flip-flop. Transfer the J and K states from the transition table to Karnaugh map. There is Karnaugh map for each input of each flip-flop. Group the Karnaugh map cells to generate and drive the logic expression for each flip-flop inputs. Implement the expressions with combinational logic and combine with the flip-flop to create the counter. So I finished our project. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.